Good morning. This is the last topic in Laplace transforms. This is the applications to ordinary differential equations. Applications to ordinary differential equations. This is the last topic, applications topic in Laplace transforms. So, solution of ordinary differential equations with constant coefficients. With constant coefficients in the solution of ordinary differential equations with constant coefficients. Let us consider a linear differential equation with constant coefficients is d to the power of n by d to the power of n plus a1 into d to the power of n minus 1 by dt to the power of n minus 1 plus so on plus any is equal to f of t. Okay. Here capital F of t is a function of independent variable t. F of t అనేది this is the function of independent variable of t and has some initial conditions like y of 0 is equal to c naught, y dash of 0 is equal to c1 and so on. Okay. The linear differential equation with constant coefficients is in the form d power n y by dt power n plus so on a n y is equal to f of t, where f of t is a function of independent variable of t and it has initial conditions like y of 0 is equal to c naught, y dash of 0 is equal to c1 and so on. In this topic, we use some important formulas. They are L of y dash of t is equal to s into y dash of s minus y of 0. And the Laplace, that is the Laplace transform of first derivation of y. And the Laplace transform of second derivation of y is equal to s square into y dash of s minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is the second derivation of Laplace transform y dash. Next, L of y triple dash of t, that is equal to s cube into y dash of s plus s square into y of 0 plus s into y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. These three formulas are the most important formulas in this topic. This is the Laplace transform of first derivation of y, and this is the Laplace transform of second derivation of y, and this is the Laplace transform of third derivation of y. Okay. We use these formulas in this topic. Problem. First one, solve by Laplace transform d cube y by dt cube plus 2 into d square by y by dt square minus dy by dt minus 2y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation, ordinary differential equation. These are initial conditions. They are y of 0 is equal to 1, y dash of 0 is equal to, and y double dash of 0 is equal to 2. These are initial conditions. Y of 0 is equal to 1 and y dash of 0 is equal to, and y double dash of 0 is equal to 2. Okay. Now you solve the differential equation by using Laplace transforms. By using Laplace transforms. First, the given differential equation can be written as, the given differential equation can be written as y triple dash plus 2y double dash minus y dash minus 2y is equal to 0. Here y dash means dy by dt, dy by dt. Y double dash means d square y by dt square, and y triple dash means d cube y by dt cube. So that's why I am writing here d cube y by dt cube is y triple dash plus 2 into d square y by dt square. That means y double dash minus y dash minus 2y is equal to 0. Okay. Now we taking the Laplace transforms on both sides. We taking the Laplace transforms on both sides. Then we get L of y triple dash plus 2 into Laplace transform of y double dash minus Laplace transform of y dash minus Laplace transform of y minus 2 into Laplace transform of y is equal to 0, is equal to 0. Here We can also apply Laplace transform of y is equal to 0. Now we have Laplace transform of y triple dash. That means third derivation of y. Third derivation of y is s cube into L of y. Already we know that these formulas were s cube into L of y minus s square into y of 0 minus s into y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0. This is the formula of the Laplace transform of third derivative of y is s cube into L of y minus s square into y of 0 minus s into y dash of 0 minus y double dash of 0 plus 2 into L of y double dash. So L of y double dash is s square into L of y minus s into y of 0 minus y dash of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is the Laplace transform of the second derivative of y. Second derivative of y minus L of y dash. That means the formula of L of y dash is s into L of y minus y of 0 minus 2 into L of y. Now we substitute the values of y of 0, y dash of 0, y double dash of 0. These are initial conditions. In the data, the given values of y of 0 is equal to 1, y dash of 0 is equal to 2, and y double dash of 0 is equal to 2. These are initial conditions. We substitute these values in this formula. Okay. Therefore, using the given conditions, that means the substitution of, after that substitution of initial conditions, it reduces that, reduce out the s cube into L of y, see what, s cube into L of y minus s square into y of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, s square into 1 minus s into y dash of 0. Y dash of 0 is equal to 2. Therefore, minus s into 2. Okay. The same, y double dash of 0 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 plus 2 into s square into L of y minus s into y of 0. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, s into 1 minus 2 minus s into L of y minus y of 0. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, minus 1 minus 2 into L of y is equal to 0. Therefore, this is the L of y term, and this is the L of y term, and this is L of, this is L of. These four, in these four terms, L of y is a common term. L of y is a common term. Therefore, L of y into s cube 2s square minus s minus 2 minus 2. The L of y is common term. Therefore, here s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2 into L of y. So remaining terms are here minus s square minus 2s minus 2 in this term minus multiplied by 2s plus into minus 4, and here minus into minus plus 1. Okay, therefore minus s square minus 2s minus 4s minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Therefore, minus s square minus 4s minus 5. Therefore, s square plus 4s plus 5. So, is equal to, actually, s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2 into L of y minus s square minus 4s minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, next step, This is equal to s square plus 4 by plus 4s plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Therefore, L of y is equal to s square plus 4s plus 5 by s cube plus 2s square minus s minus 2. Now we simplify this term. So ఈ term ని simplify చేద్దాం. So observe these two terms, s square into s plus 2. From these two terms, minus 1 is common term, s plus 2. Therefore, this is equal to s plus 2 into s square minus 1. Therefore, this is s plus 2 into s square minus 1. So, numerator nila rasam s square plus 4s plus 5. So, దీన్ని ఇలా రాయొచ్చంటే this can be written as, the numerator can be written as s square plus 4s plus 5 is equal to s square sub a square plus 2ab అంతే కదా. 4s is equal to, this is the 2 into s into 2, that means 2ab. Therefore, here b is equal to 2. Therefore, b square is equal to 4. Therefore, this can be written as s square plus 4s plus 4 plus 1. So, these three terms we can be written as s plus 2 whole square plus 1. Therefore, can be written as, this is s square plus 4s plus 5 is also written as s plus 2 whole square plus 1. And the denominator is s plus 2 into s square minus 1. S square minus 1. Now we can split the terms. We can split the terms. Split the terms. This is equal to, this term can be written as s plus 2 whole square by s plus 2 into s square minus 1 plus 1 by s plus 2 into s square plus 1. Okay. So, s plus 2, s plus 2. Therefore, this can be written as s plus 2 by s square minus 1 plus 1 by, here s square minus 1, s plus 2 into, this is in the form a square minus b square, s square minus 1. This is in the form a square minus b square. That means a plus b into a minus b. So, therefore, s plus 1 into s minus 1. S plus 1 into s minus 1. Okay. Now, this term, the first term can be written as, s by s square minus 1, s by s square minus 1 plus 2 by s square minus 1 plus 1 by s plus 2 into s plus 1, s minus 1. Okay. Therefore, that's why I am writing here s by s square minus 1 plus 2 by s square minus 1 plus 1 by s plus 2 into s minus 1 into s plus 2. Okay. Now we have to simplify the third term. Third term by using partial fractions. By using partial fractions. Okay. So by using partial fractions, one by s plus 2 into s minus 1 into s plus 1. This is equal to a by s plus 2, b by s minus 1 plus c by s plus 1. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to a into s minus 1 into s plus 1 plus b into s plus 2 into s plus 1 plus c into s plus 2 into s minus 1 by s plus 2 into s minus 1 into s plus 1. Okay. So denominator terms are cancelled. Therefore, 1 is equal to a into these terms. Okay. Now we can put s is equal to 1. Put s is equal to 1. Left side terms 1 is equal to, put s is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means this term is equal to 0. This term is equal to 0. And also third term 1 minus 1. This term is also is equal to 0. So we have b into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. Therefore, 6b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now put s is equal to minus 1. S is equal to minus 1. So left side 1 is equal to minus 1. You substitute these values. The first term is equal to 0. S is equal to minus 1. And second term also is equal to 0. Why? Here minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Therefore, the second term is equal to 0. And the third term is equal to c into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2c is equal to 1. Therefore, c is equal to minus 1 by 2. And now put s is equal to 2. Sorry, minus 2. Left side 1. Left side 1 is equal to, substitute s is equal to 2. Here minus 2 plus 2. Therefore, the second term is equal to 0 and minus 2 plus 2 and third term is going to 0. Now we have only first term a into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1. Therefore, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1, 3. 3a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. ఇలా మనం పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ఏ వాల్యూ బి వాల్యూ సి వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆర్డర్ని కానీ మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఏబిసి వాల్యూస్ చేంజ్ అవడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఈ ఆర్డర్ తీసుకున్నాను, ఏ బై ఎస్ ప్లస్ 2, బి బై ఎస్ మైనస్ 1, సి బై ఎస్ ప్లస్ 1. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు ఆర్డర్ని చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఏబి వాల్యూస్ చేంజెస్ అవుతాయి కానీ వాల్యూస్ అవే వస్తాయి. వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ minus 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Values are same. Okay, but some changes are there. A, B, B, C, or C, A, or okay, some changes. Okay. Therefore, after partial fractions, we get s by s square minus 1, 2 by s square minus 1, plus 1 by 3 into s plus 2, minus 1 by 2 into s plus 1, plus 1 by 6 into s minus 1. Okay. Now, y is equal to, ఇదంతా ఏంటంటే L of y. See, this is L of y. This is L of y. Now y is equal to L inverse of s by s square minus 1. 2 into L inverse of 1 by s square minus 1. Okay. Plus 1 by 3 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Minus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1. Plus 1 by 6 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 1. Okay. Now, the inverse Laplace transform of s by s square minus 1 is cos ht. And 1 by s square minus 1 is 2 into sin ht. And this is 1 by 3 into 1 L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 e power minus 2t. Minus 1 by 2 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 and e power minus t. Plus 1 by 6 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 1 e power t. Therefore, ఇలా మనం ఆర్డినరీ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ని లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్స్ని యూజ్ చేసి మనం సొల్యూషన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, హౌ టు సాల్వ్ ద ఆర్డినరీ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ బై యూజింగ్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్స్. Now, solve the differential equation d square x by dt square minus 4 into dx by dt minus 12x is equal to e power 3t. The initial conditions are x of 0 is equal to 1 and x dash of 0 is equal to minus 2. Last problem మనం d square y by dt square dy by dt అలా రాసుకున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి జస్ట్ చేంజ్ d square x by dt square minus 4 into dx by dt minus 12x is equal to e power 3t. సేమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్లో రాస్తాము, మనం ఇందాక ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ వైలలో రాసాం. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ ఇనిషియల్ కండిషన్స్. Therefore, by using Laplace transforms, first, given equations can be written as x double dash minus 4 into x dash minus 12x is equal to e power 3t. X double dash means d square x by dt square minus 4 into dx by dt minus 12x is equal to e power 3t. Now taking Laplace transforms on both sides. Okay, we get Laplace transform of x double dash minus 4 into L of x dash minus 12 into L of x is equal to L of e power 3t. Now L of x double dash is s square into L of x minus s into x of 0 minus x dash of 0. The same minus 4 into L of x dash is s into L of x minus x of 0 minus 12 into L of x is equal to Laplace transform of e power 3t is 1 by s minus 3. 1 by s minus 3. Now we use the initial conditions. Initial conditions uses after using initial conditions, we get s square into L of x minus s into 1 plus 2 minus 4 into s into L of x minus 1 minus 12x is equal to minus 12 into L of x is equal to 1 by s. సో ఇక్కడ L of x ను కామన్ తీసాం. దిస్ టర్మ్ L of x is in the common term. In these three terms, L of x is common term. Therefore, s square minus 4s minus 12 into L of x. So remaining terms are here remaining terms minus s plus 2 plus 4. So this is equal to minus s plus 6. So మనం ఈ టర్మ్ని ఇలా రాసాం. సో మైనస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 6 కాబట్టి ప్లస్ ఎస్ మైనస్ 6. ఓకే, ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేయాలి ఈ టర్మ్ని. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫామ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఫామ్ ఇన్ ఎస్. సో ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ చేయాలి. సో 12 ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ minus 6s plus 2s minus 12. So 6s common తీసాము. s common తీస్తే 6s minus 6 minus 2 s minus 6. Therefore s minus 6 into s minus 2. Okay, therefore s plus 2 into s minus 6 into L of x 1 by s minus 3 into s minus 6. సో ఈ టర్మ్స్ని ఇటువైపు తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతే మనకు s minus 3 into s minus 6 into సో ప్లస్ 1 by s plus 2. 1 by s plus 2. Okay. Therefore L of x is equal to using partial fractions. Here also using partial fractions. A by s plus 2 plus b by s minus 3 plus c by s minus 6 plus 1 by s plus 2. సో ఇక్కడ మనం పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యూస్ చేసాం. ఇందాక లాస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లంలో ఎలా అయితే చేసామో సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్. బట్ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు s ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 2, నెక్స్ట్ s ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 3, నెక్స్ట్ s ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6. s ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 6. సో అలా మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే వీ గెట్ a ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 40 and b ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు minus 1 by 15, c ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 by 24. Therefore L of x is equal to 1 by 40 into s plus 2 minus 1 by 15 into s minus 3 plus 1 by 24 into s minus 6 plus 1 by s plus 2 after using partial fractions. Now x is equal to L inverse of 1 by 40 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 minus 1 by 15 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 minus 1 by 15 into plus 1 by 24 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 6 plus L inverse of 1 by s plus 2. Now 1 by 40 into L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 is e power minus 2t minus 1 by 15 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 3 is e power 3t plus 1 by 24 into L inverse of 1 by s minus 6 e power 6t plus L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 means e power minus 2t. E power minus 2t. Okay. Therefore, here now e power minus 2t, 1 by 40 into e power minus 2t and e power minus 2t. These two terms. Adding these two terms, we can get this is equal to so this is equal to 41 by 40. 41 by 40 into e power minus 2t. Therefore, here 41 by 40 into e power minus 2t minus 1 by 15 into e power 3t plus 1 by 24 into e power 60. Okay. So this is the how to solve ordinary differential equations by using Laplace transforms. Okay.